Motorcycles mechanics workshop. Safety. Caution. Maintaining a high level of health and safety is essential in all businesses no matter their size. As an employer or business owner, keeping staff and workers safe and healthy should be the highest priority. It is essential that employers know what standards need to be adhered to for their specific industry. Similar points of importance must be stressed about wearing the correct safety equipment, being you a worker or employee or an employer. Safety. Exercise. Answer. What is essential in all businesses no matter their size?
Maintaining a high level of health and safety.
To whom safe and healthy should be the highest priority?
To an employer and also to a business owner.
What is essential that employers know about safety?
To know what standards need to be adhered to for their specific industry.
Can any safety equipment be used everywhere?
No, the correct safety equipment must be chosen.
What is important to know about safety equipment?
About wearing the correct safety equipment.
Motorcycles mechanics workshop. Safety. Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.